Hi guys, I just wanted to come on and answer a few questions that we get asked a lot, and that is about the sun protection factor of our products. Because of our products are formulated on zinc oxide, they have a natural sun protection factor inbuilt into all the products. Zinc oxide is your physical sunblock, so it physically blocks the sun from penetrating your skin. We use non-nano zinc oxide, so it sits on the surface of your skin and protects your skin from the sun. Now the products all have different SPF values. The BB creams have an SPF of about SPF 20. The foundation has SPF 28 and the powder foundation has an SPF 40. Now these SPF factors are worked out based on the percentage of zinc oxide in the products. So they are an approximate SPF based on percentages and values. So they are not actually tested as a sunscreen product. These are just based on the level of zinc oxide in the formulas. So use it as a rough guide. Generally what I do is I normally wear either the BB cream or the foundation, and if I'm going out in the sun, I always put a dusting of the mineral silk foundation powder just sort of over the midsection of my face. And although I'm quite fair and I live in Australia, I never get sunburnt. So that's what I do, and that's what I recommend you do if you want a product with sun protection. I recommend that you use a dusting of this over the top of whichever product you think best suits your skin type, and that way then you will be 100% protected. But like all sunscreen products, after a few hours I recommend that you reapply. Give yourself another little dusting if you're going out again, or if you're swimming, or if you've been heavily active, or done a sports class or done some yoga. I recommend just giving yourself another little light dusting just to make sure that you are still 100% protected, because these sunscreens don't penetrate the skin, they just sit on top of your skin as a physical barrier. So therefore if they are wiped off, sweat off through excessive sweat, etc., then you are no longer protected. So always make sure that you reapply and use these SPF numbers as a guide, because as I said before, we are not actually tested as a sunscreen. These are all based on the properties of zinc oxide and the percentage of zinc oxide in the formulations. So I hope that helps guys, and I hope that makes it a lot easier for you to make your choices. Thanks guys.